Okay, hello. I'm going to introduce like an idea I have, and that idea is to every single day, unless something pops up, 8:30, about 8:30. That's when I get home, bringing my daughter to kindergarten. I'm going to do 30 minutes of live streaming, and I'm going to build something. And as part of that introduction, I'm going to show you what I'm going to build. So there's a reason I'm showing you this on my mobile phone, because I built a couple of apps for my girlfriend and me, because we had we wanted to figure out a way to make our daily routines more effective and more in tune, because I forget a lot. And basically just every week we wanted to plan the next week, and calendars are actually really bad for that because they are about unique events. But as a family, you do pretty much the same stuff every week. It's just that you changed roles, kind of. So I built this app with Flutter and call it like Week Planner. And the reason I'm showing this on my phone and not showing it from my computer is because I'm pretty upset with Flutter. Every time there's an update to it's a framework from Google for writing React native apps. Every time there's an update to Flutter or any of its dependencies or Xcode or whatever in the environment, everything breaks. And I often spend hours trying to figure it out, and I'm just sick and tired of it. And the reason I built it as native apps is because I thought that maybe if we have success with this, or it helps us, maybe it could help other people, and maybe I could make money. But at an age of 35 or 36, I can't remember, I realized that everything I've done up to now, I've done without thinking about money. And that has worked really well for me. Like, I'm not like an overpaid developer. I think I'm like in the middle somewhere. But I've learned so much, and it has opened so many opportunities for me. So it makes a lot more sense for me to just use what I know and share it with everyone. So maybe it can be like educational or inspirational to others, and have fun with it, instead of trying to get into all this deploying to App Store, Google Play. It's just madness. It takes so much time away from actually building something. So anyways, this is like the app, and the way this works is that, like, my girlfriend had a new phone, so I'm unable to put this app on her phone because I can't get the environment up running again, which is like, it takes less time for me to build it again on the web than actually getting the environment to run. Anyways, so the app is like, we have some stuff we do every week, and then we can click this next week thing, and then we have like a list of stuff that we do every week, and then we have our names here, we're in sync, and then we just tap which day are we going to do the different stuff. It's pretty simple, but it's surprisingly complex. And what I want to do is every day I get home around 8:30, which is after I bring my daughter to kindergarten, and I'm going to do a live stream for 30 minutes. And in that live stream, we are going to build this app as a web project. But I'm not going to build it locally. I'm going to build it on Code Sandbox. And the reason I'm going to build it on Code Sandbox is because we have some features coming. And I really want to show you the power of building something on Code Sandbox opposed to doing it locally. And it's not just technically and how fast you get going with it. It's just that you're actually in the cloud with a shareable URL that changes the game. Like, people can instantly just go in and check it out. They can fork it. They can kind of like join the journey of it. And as I said, there's some new features coming that I also want to show you when they pop up. So yeah, I'm going to build this app as a web application, mostly for me and my girlfriend, but it's an open service, so you can use it as well if you want to, and then give feedback and help developing it if you want to. but it will also show you how I think about building applications. And I'm going to use Overmind to explain to people how I mentally think about Overmind. Like I've tried to explain it through the documentation, but that's up for interpretation. So it's much better that I show you like a real example. So yeah, I'm going to fix this stuff for me and my girlfriend. I'm going to use Code Sandbox to show off like how great Code Sandbox is for these types of projects. And I'm going to show you how I use Overmind to build web applications. And I think that's like a super awesome combination. And unless something pops up, I'll be doing this every day at 8:30, live streaming it. And to begin with, I'll probably learn some stuff. So I will kind of increase the, like something technical bad stuff is probably going to happen, but I'll get into it. And then I hope it will be fun. And no matter, it's a lot of fun for me. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll hope you'll join me. I'll tweet the link whenever I start a session. And then I hope I'll see you there. Okay, bye-bye.